So, good morning! Actually, it's the afternoon. I had to sleep all day because my legs are killing me because we have a snowstorm up in here. It's coming down. And we're supposed to get 18 to 36 inches of snow. Sorry. So, look, I moved my car out there because they said we have to get our cars off the streets. But look, that snow is coming down. Do you wanna build a snowman? Maybe we'll get to have a snowball fight. Fun times! We are going out into this snow. Right, Wonka? Where are you going? Where are you going? Whoa! There's a puppy. He actually doesn't mind the snow too much. I wish I had like little booties for his paws so they don't look at him running. It's so cute. Little paw prints. There are booties for like puppy paws. I can't stop. He's so cute running in the snow. But we don't have the boots for him, so he can't be out here too long, but might as well get him out here now while it's not as bad as it will be, as they're saying it's gonna be. Right, Wonka? Look! What are you doing? You like running in the snow? It's come down already. Like before, when I was out, when we had to move our cars, it was not like this. I don't know like how many inches per hour or whatever. Whoa, that was slippery. But it's coming down. We had to move the town said that we had to move our cars off the street so they can plow. So me and Tony are parked in the driveway, and this person obviously didn't listen. But hopefully they'll get off the road soon, because I want to be able to get this whole street plowed. And yeah, so we are in the snowstorm. Doesn't like his little jacket, but usually when it snows, I like to put the jacket. Oh, of course he does this on camera. We're right back to running in the snow. Here we go, puppy. Whoa. Whoa. Why is it blurry? There he is. You ready to go back inside, pup? Whew. Look how cute you are in this jacket. So this is the next day, and of course the blizzard is a bust as usual. Didn't really get that much snow. Definitely not no 3 feet that they were talking about. Gotta be careful walking down these stairs. Whoa! I got Wonka out here with me. Where are you going? Come back here. Come on, Wonka. Wonka's gotta do his thing. Right, Wonka? You like the snow? Where are you? There you are. Whoops. So, anyway, Wonka does not want to be out in this. Even though it's not that bad. But, yeah, we didn't get as much as usual. But it's a good thing I'm off yesterday and today anyway. So I figured I would just give you guys an update before I started a new vlog. So, yeah, we're probably gonna actually leave the house today. We need to get some food because we don't have that much food. So, yeah. What do you have to say about the snow, Wonka? I don't have his jacket on him today. He just wants to go back in. I don't blame him. His feeties are probably cold. I have snow all on my shoes. I just don't want to go in early and then he still has to go to the bathroom. But anyway, that is our Blizzard 2015. Yeah. I was just watching him. See if he needs to do anything else. Where are you going? Oh, gotta pee on everything. Don't eat the yellow snow.